Hello dear students, we were studying polysaccharides. We have already covered homopolysaccharides. Second type of polysaccharides are heteropolysaccharides. So heteropolysaccharides, they are composed of modified monosaccharide units of different types. They include mucopolysaccharides, chitin and peptidoglycan. First type is mucopolysaccharides. So they are polymer of sugar acid. So it is the modified sugar acid and amino sugar. What is sugar acid? In sugar acid, one OH group is replaced by acidic group. So here just see, this is the normal glucose molecule if there was present CH2OH. But in place of CH2OH, there is carboxylic group. So it is modified sugar, which is sugar acid, that is glucuronic acid. And amino sugar is the modified sugar in which one OH group is replaced by amino group. So this is the normal glucose molecule where one OH group is replaced by amino group. So it is glucosamine. So they are made up of modified glucose units, that is sugar acid and amino sugars. So mucopolysaccharides, there are three examples of mucopolysaccharides: hyaluronic acid, heparin and chondroitin sulfate. Hyaluronic acid, it is the main lubricant fluid of the body and it's present in synovial fluid of joints. जोड़ां दे विच जिहड़ा fluid हुंदा, that is synovial fluid of joints, and vitreous humor of eye दे पिछले चैम्बर च जिहड़ा fluid हुंदा, that is the vitreous humor. So इन्हां दोनां दे विच की आ hyaluronic acid. So it consists of glucuronic acid and acetyl glucosamine units. So here just see, I have taken glucuronic acid. CH2OH group is replaced by COOH group. And second is acetyl glucosamine. In glucosamine, here there is NH2 group plus there is acetyl group, then it is the acetyl glucosamine. So it is formed by joining of glucuronic acid and acetyl glucosamine by means of beta-1,3 glycosidic linkage. So here sugar that we are taking is OH on the upper side at carbon atom 1, so it is beta glucose. So this linkage is beta-1,3, the linkage is between carbon atom 1 and carbon atom 3. So this is the structure of hyaluronic acid, which is formed by the union of glucuronic acid and acetyl glucosamine through beta-1,3 glycosidic linkage. Second type of mucopolysaccharide is heparin, which is the main anticoagulant which is produced by mast cells of liver. It is present in blood and it is polymer of sulfated glucuronic acid. So simply this is glucuronic acid having sulfate group and sulfated glucosamine units. So just see, now this is sulfated glucuronic acid, this is glucuronic acid where CH2OH group is replaced by COH group as it is sulfated. So in between OH we have put SO3 group. So this is sulfated glucuronic acid, this is sulfated glucosamine. How it is sulfated glucosamine? At carbon atom 2, in place of OH group there is NH2, but as it is sulfated, so in between NH and H we have put SO3, plus there is present one more sulfate group at carbon atom 6. So this is sulfated glucuronic acid, this is sulfated glucosamine. They are held together by alpha-1,4 glycosidic linkage, forming anticoagulant, that is heparin. So it is formed by the union of sulfated glucosamine and sulfated glucuronic acid held by alpha-1,4 glycosidic linkage. Then third type is chondroitin sulfate, which is mainly present in connective tissue and cartilage. It is made up of glucuronic acid and acetyl glucosamine sulfate. Now just see, this is glucuronic acid. At carbon atom 6, in place of CH2OH group there is COOH group plus galactosamine. In galactosamine we have studied that at carbon atom 4 there is OH on the upper side, hydrogen on the lower side. It is galactosamine. But it is further galactosamine, means at carbon atom 2 there is amino group, but it is acetyl galactosamine, so there is present acetyl group also. So listen carefully, it is galactose sugar which has been modified by the addition of amino group and acetyl group plus sulfate group. So in galactose molecule at carbon atom 2, in between NH attached to NH, in place of OH there is NH2 group, but as it is acetyl galactosamine, so here in place of this H we have put over here acetyl group. Then it is CH2 CH3CO. Then here it is at carbon atom 4 there is sulfate. In between O and H there is SO3. So both of them they are linked by again alpha 1,3 glycosidic linkage. So here it should be beta 1,3 glycosidic, because OH group is on the upper side, hydrogen is on the lower side, it is 1,3 glycosidic linkage. So glucuronic acid and acetyl galactosamine sulfate, they are joined by beta 1,3 glycosidic linkage. So you have to practice these formulae. Once you know the basics, then it is not difficult to remember them. Then second type of heteropolysaccharides are mucoproteins. They are compounds of mucopolysaccharides and proteins. They contain acetyl glucosamine, acetyl galactosamine and hexosugar or their derivatives. So our blood group antigens, which are responsible for AB, O type of blood group, which are AB and RH antigens which are present on RBC, and luteinizing hormones, they are all mucoproteins. Third type of heteropolysaccharide is chitin. It is a very hard heteropolysaccharide which is present in the exoskeleton of arthropods and cell wall of fungi. It is made up of acetyl glucosamine units held by glycosidic bond. Now just see, this is पहला तुसी glucosamine बनानी है. So this is glucose molecule at carbon atom 1 you have to put NH2 group. As it is acetyl glucosamine, so in place of 1H here is CH3CO group. So this is acetyl glucosamine, again this is acetyl glucosamine. So they are held together by beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Beta because OH group is on the upper side, hydrogen is on the lower side. The linkage is between carbon atom 1 and carbon atom 4. So the molecule is long unbranched chain which is then folded to form bundles just like cellulose. So chitin is the hardest heteropolysaccharide which forms exoskeleton of arthropods and cell wall of fungi. Then last category is peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is present in cell wall of bacteria and blue-green alga. Basically it is a long chain of two polysaccharides which are further made up of repeated units of two oligosaccharide, that is disaccharide. Disaccharide means there are two monosaccharides which are repeated continuously, that is acetyl glucosamine and acetyl muramic acid. N stands because N-acetyl glucosamine, N-acetyl muramic acid. Again N-acetyl glucosamine, N-acetyl muramic acid. Likewise N-acetyl glucosamine, N-acetyl muramic acid. So this is one polysaccharide chain. This is second polysaccharide chain which is made up of repeated disaccharide units. And these chains, they are again cross-linked by a chain of 4 amino acids. So this short chain is a chain of 4 amino acid which cross-link these polysaccharide chains. So just see, it is present in cell wall of bacteria and blue-green alga. It is composed of polysaccharide chains connected by cross-links of small peptides made up of 4 amino acid units. Polysaccharide chain is long unbranched, made up of disaccharide units. Each disaccharide unit is made up of two sugar derivatives, N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid. So this is the structure of peptidoglycan. So these are the different heteropolysaccharides.